Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV.
You know, I don't know if I cherry at Obeah me. Well, Obeah do it. Cause none of blood clot in the No matter when I see my ball, you know. When I see me still I get on with life, cause I'm a winner. And it just not right. You know, me hear a mother always say, oh, no, fit happy foolishness, cause I bear foolishness. And it's truth. It's now me and you come a dear. This how I started, you know. I don't know, girl, you know, I'm still telling you, know. Girl coming at the PH, in the journey I'm talking about, girl. But me and do it now, we're over a blood clot, girl, you know. Me and do it, when do we run the last year? May. What we argue over? Foolishness at Jamaica, and him say me for buy rum film, cause I'm not buying a rum film, cause with the blood clot, and I tell me, say, that don't make no sense, brethren. From me, I buy the rum for the cousin, I come and him not talk to me and him call the cousin. The big disgrace and him move out and it doesn't make no sense. So now when I look into it, I say, last year May, June, July, August, little before London birthday, my ball, my eye behind bush, my scream. And you know the wickedest thing? And I like, do we have man ammunition to say, well, him have man, him in love with a woman and him and her have relationship and him a go move, go with her. It's just bare bunks around. It's like them set him for bunks around, bunkless as me and him have nothing, him no want to hear nothing, him not talk to me. Him want to run if I talk to him, him walk off, left me, him walk him down, him run. That wasn't doing. If I'm doing come to England, my most atmosphere change. So whether me delusional or not, me have to work out everything. Me not trust none of blood clot and like how me not trust do it. None of them me not trust. The only somebody me trust is myself. I'm fucking scared. I'm so bloody scared. It's unbelievable. But it's the truth, me I want drunk. One shithouse, one dog, one alligator, one blood clot crocodile. They tell me the right yourself. That's not right. Anybody who write last year said them throw me one cake, get dog, I no blood clot, fuck them, I don't give a fuck. Something right, something wrong with them. Really? Everybody want progress. Nobody no run from good. I see that my husband's eyes, me the worst one for God earth. Do we talk to me sometimes? I say, do not, hey, pastor, give me, yo. Do not talk to me, so baby. If me and you cuss or you talk to me certain way, it's fine. And then the little things I do have me up for. My son now call me dog. Do it. Wake up, brother. Wake up, brother. What is a fucking dog comparing to your action? Are them things that my husband sit down and have me up for after you get up and do so much things? And nothing what do we do? He's not, them don't worthy. Look on this blood clot dirty girl now. Gangster, call your husband right now and see if him not answer me. You chatting by me, gangster. If me call your husband right now, him answer and him not answer me. Really, what benefit you get out of him calling you when him upset with me and him gonna answer you? You and him gonna live happily ever after? You know want proof for me and throw me down for make me say me is nobody and do we not count me? Do count me, you know? Do we count me? Do we love me and do we just cannot take the time and can't find the urge to communicate with me? So all I do is hatred and grudge. What do we have for me? It no must have come from somewhere. Me not fuck and do it. So that makes sense to blood clot, you know. All know me not fuck yet. But I get the shit in the stick. That don't make no sense. When you fuck 99 blood clot time and one time left for seal, does that make any sense? No, it fucking doesn't. You understand me? But you know what? All is not last, because I'm a winner, I have life. And me know something right. Trust me. You see my husband? You said my husband I'm married to me, a Jamaica. Why you think I fight for my husband, son? When my husband I'm married to me, you know, all when the date pass, something I do is say, crazy the date I run out in a 3 months upon it. Something. So one name 3 months and say I'm married within the 3 months. It was doing interest. It now have nothing to do with it coming into foreign either. Me never have no legacy. Me don't even have a blood clot car. I rent with a rent car at Jamaica. And me said to him, say, me can't send for you come a foreign, you know. But me get somebody to help me. And him say, me not care about no foreign. Me just want married to you. So I remember them days there, you know. Me never know me, Queenie, could have sent for my husband, you know. You understand me? So me and do never married and say, oh, me I married you and bring you to England. No. A genuine love and do it by the ring. Me and do it go downtown and buy the ring and do it mother. And I tell him mother, me hear him, you know. Me I say, what? This man really in an element for married to me. Me never bring no riches, go get do it. So, all of this for me and him bill. Me I do my ads, I'm doing now pay me no mind, you know. It's not right. Why do we have nice art for everybody else? Why you can't do things for people? That don't make no sense. That don't make no sense. Do we work for 4 months? Hey! Allah! Blessing! Nice. Do we work for 4 months with white elderly people? And my husband done so well. You hear me? I'm tired too, baby. I'm tired. My husband done so well in the work. Do we get carers allowance 4 months? Every month do him get 4 months straight. Every month him get him pay him send him money go give him son. And do we just got Jamaica. Make Chin make him move out, lick Edward Devante ups and down and just left him job. I'ma find it so weird. So none of that attack. No what me I got through. If I find it so fucking weird, do we was so much into the job. You know, I'm like a uniform. I can't go work a man in time. Them a cuss me the be and do it. I never care, me and support my husband. Cause I'm so glad I'm like a official work. It's when the lady at the workplace called me and said to me, say, Queenie, Dwayne just left and told us that his foot sick. And when I look at Dwayne in Jamaica and the plane, I can't do it. Dwayne said, me nah go back. Me nah go back. And I say, what? But this has nothing to do with me. Dwayne never had to work for me. Dwayne's working for his son. You know, I feel so good. When do I working money? I'm say yes, do it. Him say, crazy, me just send up the money to say, you know. And for see my husband get up and left that job. Me and him ups and down and make money. Him not care about the money we me I make. That make blood clot sense to no I eat that. Me could have £1 million put on yourself about house. Do we not have no needs to find for don't go blood clot thing do we want? Crazy me can't buy one McDonald's. Really? I mean you make them. Me no idiot. None of blood clot no can come. Don't make me live in a denial for my marriage. On a wicked and evil and bad mind. You understand? But people is vicious. People will do your things, but guess what? My God is real. We can be wrong. But me not wrong. Me no idiot. Do we boss when him get him like a job with him like a ID pan it? As him get him money, him send it go give say. My husband reads the Bible because I said, do we make sure you save £100 out of your pay every month, you know? When the woman said to me, said, do it. All right, you left your job, nothing wrong with it. Move on a blood clot. The boy I don't have him from 7 to 8. How was him working on? 7 to 8. 7 to 9. One night time at 10 o'clock. Darling, bring me a piece of napkin, please. Sorry. One at a time. 2 nights at 10 o'clock do we come off at work. Him start 7 every morning. And you stood up on the live with me and him. I may tell you that brother takes so much joy and pride. I admire my husband and feel good. He never had a work for me. For mind me. I don't like him did a work and me I tear my down and say I want this and I want that. No. Him give away my give me do him. If him not give me nothing, no matter to me because I make my own. And for see the accomplishment when me and my husband get in a life and he doesn't care about it. Whether him sung to an next girl and him counsel them and him take them feelings in concern. All if me I did if me go up there so no. I said, do it, me I go jump. Do said jump. But guess what? At the fittest survive. So none of no bumper wall can't type nothing and tell me. I not trust none of uno. So why you take my angle no like dark blood clot shit so? I have to have my guards out. All blood clot guns and ammunition out. You understand me? And that's the God Almighty truth. No, come talk my life. No, know what me I got through. Make him hate me. Me not hate him. Are you Obeah me and blood clot him for him hate me? But your time will come. Make him hate me. Me not hate him and me not build no hate for him more than I pray for him because him give me my wish by married into me. And I'll forever honor that. Yeah man, no go and laugh man. I don't tell you already. Who laugh last or who this not nice. Me not talk about love, brother. Then him not must love me. Me not talk about love, not like about him same love me. Me not hard for love. People when I know me love me. Me not talk about no love, brother. And the dysfunction of do it is not function. Do it don't maintain and nothing at all. All I do just vex and go now a little shell. Me worry about my husband, me I tell you. And walk and screw up him face. But everything good I go on for you, brother. So what happened? That wasn't when me and you meet at Jamaica. Yeah. And I like him change and I do me some things where me I say, this man here, I take when me inherit. Him no want one mama bumbo clot. Him prefer for walk away, don't eat, don't sleep. Then I could have what so? I could have blood clot what so? When me do cut off your cocky and roast it. When me do roast your blood clot cocky, me not understand. And no matter what you say to him, say do it. Remember last year them time you never there, you know, don't make it happen. We are wholly faith no matter what. Remember I do get up the right say no friend over no fat pussy girl. Whether them pussy fat or them sexy, you know. That don't make no sense, my husband. All women we know you're frightened over. So me as a great woman, we independent, me a celebrity, me make you be celebrity, we famous. That don't make no sense. That was an unnecessary speech. You understand me? So I'm working on my phone. I got bully on a dirty blood clot from my husband. No, come over here, so come say nothing to me. No, come fuck me and do it when I want me. And that make me feel justified. Yeah? It's something to do with come out of the house Sunday with the chef and come up here so me I say. So which part in this now? Doing a realize. My man told me up and me not tell nobody in my hold it, you know. But hold it like a G. I mean I say blood clot. Mother's Day again, me. Last year, May Mother's Day, for the go back in on the blood clot history. At the same argument out at airport. And the big disgrace. I want to see the man top me, I say, may I fall up this and I cling tight and not say nothing. So I still have this card. The man hold my neck so. And sit down on top of me and just thump me so. And I take the thump them, you know. And then after I take the thump them, I spin him over. I must put him over so and take the phone. The phone don't even lick him. A man say, where I do? Try lick me with the phone, but you just give me 100 thump. That's how you do it. That's not the way. Me not tell you so before me and do it married. Do it grab me thumb. I do the meme. Or when we did married, I don't even fucking remember. I when do it grab me and fling me thumb. And I say, murder! I do it here, my ball out murder. I do it, said to me, yeah, we did married. I'm so crazy. Me I what to you, and I said, my husband, and him said, go shut up and go sit down, man, and stop telling something to me. And I always know there's a difference with my husband now. So, me no want to come type, can you sit down here, sir? I'm going to set up on a candle. I'm going to take me any picture and put on wherever. And when I'm done, I'm come on a type. Him hate me, him surprise me, him can't stand me. But I believe in God. Me not believe in a none or none. And whether me and do is together or not, it's my husband. I mean, none of blood clot uno carry me down. Before some go on the worst way and disappoint a dirty blood clot and then sit down and laugh. Because guess what? It's my emotion. I have to protect my emotion. You see my feelings, I have to protect my feelings. No go so. Every youth want step up in a life. Do it right now. The way I'm eating me to blood clot, do it. I prefer staying in the room with him there and don't move, don't eat, don't sleep. And when him pass me, him have the wicked, but me not doing nothing, brother. And me supposed to eat you. You understand me? And me supposed to eat you for all of what you bring to my table. You come, you mix up with all of these people I know from a long time. You come, you mix with dirty blood clot. Till you come and disgrace the whole universe and turn against you. How me I carry drugs? How me do this? How much man me take? And me I say, blood clot. Me not answer this bomber hole, you know, because him not know him agenda, you know. I'ma hide from Tio. I'ma conquer all of that. And when me look, you still not understand your blood clot self. No, that's not my husband. When we meet my husband, you know, nothing, none of them. And me and Dewey, not even Yvette, we meet up at the Yvette place. And when we left and Ghana, Dewey yard, and me and Dewey everywhere, me and Dewey ups and down. All that when me talk to me and my husband ups and down. When you came here, oh, what are you each up there and Queenie? Everything is a problem. Me no want hear nothing from none of blood clot. No, never know do it. No, never take do it and put him on pedestal. No, never praise do it. No, never frighten over do it. No, never call him June Plum. No, never give name do it. And now the whole of the world tell me about do it. How the fuck you to tell me about somebody when me create, when me bring to the world? I said, this is the man who give me the June Plum. This is the man who me and him. Oh, you sit down now. 2 years after, you gonna tell me what you think I'm gonna say. My baby, they're talking the truth. None of blood clot no can give me no advice or no truth. Me some of that beat up the whole of blood clot no what trouble me. If my catch you know. I fuck you not chat man, no shut the fuck up.